Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Simplified. In today's lesson, we are going to learn to solve linear equations with brackets. Many students make mistakes when they see brackets, but after this lesson, you will find it very easy. Example: solve the following. We are going to go straight to solving example 1. Example 1 is 2 bracket open x plus 3 bracket plus equals to 10. First, whenever you see bracket, the first step is to remove the bracket. You remove the bracket by multiplying 2 with everything inside the bracket. That is 2 times x, which gives us 2x. Then 2 times 3 will also give us 2 times 3 gives us 6. Then we put all of them together. We now have 2x plus this plus, bring it down here, 6 equals 10. That is 2x, 2 times x gives us 2x. 2 times 3 gives us 6. Then the next thing for us to do is to subtract 6 from both hand side of the equation. So we're going to have 2x plus 6 minus 6 equals to 10 minus 6. So 6 plus 6 minus 6 will cancel out, and 10, we now have 2x equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. For us to find x, we are going to remove 2 from x by dividing the both hand side of the equation by 2, which is the coefficient of x. That is, we're going to have 2x divided by 2 equals to 4 divided by 2. Therefore, x equals 2.